Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. And today's topic is direct and indirect speech. The direct speech means where the exact words of the speaker is said, it quotes the exact word of the speaker, and there is a reporting verb that is said. And in the direct indirect speech, the report was being said by the speaker, and for example, you can say in a direct speech, Ramesh said, see the word is said, comma, my brother is very intelligent. Sentence will be like this. See, Ramesh said. Okay. Then we will write the comma and the sentence will be like start with the inverted comma. My brother is very intelligent. Comma close. Now it is direct speech. The word will be said. In the indirect speech, Ramesh said sentence will be the same. Ramesh said, just we will write the word that. Word will be changed. My brother will be now his brother was very intelligent. Ramesh said that his brother was very intelligent. Now here is one think exercise. See the think exercise. What we are seeing here, it's a bear, teddy bear is there along with his baby. A rabbit is here and deer is there. Now see what this deer is saying. The deer said, comma, hello, bear uncle. Inverted comma close. Then rabbit said, what you think what rabbit can say? Rabbit said, the rabbit said, comma, inverted comma, your cub is very beautiful. See, he is looking to the cub. So what he said? Your cub is very beautiful. Inverted comma close. See in the both sentence what we have said. First one is the deer said, comma, inverted comma, hello bear uncle. Inverted comma close and full stop. Here he said, rabbit said, comma, your cub, inverted comma, your cub is very beautiful, inverted comma close. Now what bear is saying? The bear said, hello, my cub is happy to see you. The bear said, comma, inverted comma, hello, my cub is happy to see you. See you, inverted comma, close. Now, the cub laughed. See, cub is laughing. So, what cub said? The cub laughed. I am happy to meet my new friends. Okay. Now, if we write all these sentences in an indirect speech, so what will be the sentence like? Will be, the deer said hello to the bear. its friend rabbit told the bear that its cub is very beautiful. The kind bear told them that its cub is happy to see them also. The cub too laughed and said that it is happy to meet my new friends. So, in the direct and indirect speech, you have to follow these rules. And what are these rules? See, first, in indirect, actual speech includes with the inverted comma. That means after the word said, comma, then the sentence will be in inverted commas, question mark, and before the first and the after letter of the punctuation. Whereas in an indirect speech, there is no inverted comma. Then comma to separate the direct speech and the last reporting word, and there is no such comma. And the first letter of the actual speech is capitalized, the first letter of the sentence is capitalized. Now we will move to our exercise A. Punctuate these sentences in a direct speech, capitalize where necessary. See, Bijoy said, comma, inverted comma, I feel too lazy to go there, inverted comma, close and full stop. Maya said to me, comma, inverted comma, and before you leave, meet me once, inverted comma, close and the full stop. The third one, father said, comma, inverted comma, you inverted comma cannot substitute your hard work, inverted comma, close. Fourth one, the teacher asked how many children have not brought the book. The T capital. The teacher asked, comma, inverted comma, how many children have not brought the books, inverted comma, close with full stop. Then the fifth one, I said to Vinita, I don't like the way Megha talks. I said to Vinita, comma, then inverted comma, close after the word talks, the full stop. The milkwoman said, capital T. The milkwoman said, comma, I won't be able to deliver the milk from tomorrow, full stop, inverted comma, close. Mother M capital. Mother said, comma, inverted comma, I am too tired to cook today, inverted comma, close, full stop, inverted comma, close. Eighth one, T capital. The old man said, comma, I won't go to the hills, inverted comma, close, full stop. Again in the ninth one also, see the capital, the watchman said. The watchman said to me, comma, you capital, you are not allowed inside, full stop, inverted comma, close. Jeremy said, comma, inverted comma, W capital, wow, look at that ball fly, full stop, and inverted comma, close. Now in the exercise B, here we have to rewrite the sentences into indirect speech. It's a direct speech. Ajay says, comma, inverted comma, she is not happy. Now we will say Ajay says that, comma, we will omit the comma, inverted comma will be there. We will just write that she, S will be in a small letter. Ajay says that she is not happy. Now, the player said that. The player said that he or she practice the sports every day. Inverted comma, only full stop will be there. Hari said to me. Hari said to me. It will be Hari told me. Hari told me that he would not come to meet me. The teacher said to Arav, comma, you need to talk softly. The teacher told told Arav, he told Arav that he need to talk softly. Full stop. The dancer said, I am nervous. The dancer said that he or she is nervous. Sixth one. The postman said, I get tired as I walk the whole day. The postman said that he gets tired as he walks the whole day. Okay. Now the seventh one. The little boy says, I like playing hide and seek. The little boy said, the little boy said that he liked playing whole hide and seek. Then the eighth one is Emmanuel says, I am getting married to Estella. Emmanuel said that he was getting married to Estella. Clear? Now exercise C. Here also we have to rewrite this in an indirect speech. I said that I wanted to go then. I said, comma, that will be omitted. I wanted to go then will be now. Then she said that this was not the right way. She said that this was not right way. Okay. Mother said that those apples looked lovely. Mother said, comma, inverted comma, T capital, those apples looked lovely, inverted comma, close, full stop. Ria said, I, inverted comma, I had not been well yesterday night. Before will be yesterday night. Madhu asked Ashish to go there then. Madhu said to Ashish, go, inverted comma, go there now. Clear? Sixth one is Bani told me that she would explain that to me the day after. Bani said me. Told to me means Bani said me she would explain that to me the day after. Clear? Now here, now see this. You have to correct the answer. Sunil said, we are now relying on the plan. Here the three sentences are given. Which one is right? See. Sunil said that we are not relying on the plan. Sunil said that they are not relying on the plan. Sunil said that they were not relying on the, that word is they, so it will be were. Clear? Then Prabhas said to Keshvi, you may leave the room now. Three sentences are there. Prabhas said to Keshvi, you may leave the room now. The three sentences are, Prabhas said to Keshvi that she may leave the room now. Prabhas told Keshvi that she might leave the room then. Prabhas told Keshvi that she may leave the room then, and this is the right one. So I hope you have understand about the chapter direct and indirect speech. We will meet in our next session with a new chapter. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.